To use the MyWorkDrive mobile client for iOS or Android, on your phone or tablet, tap on the MyWorkDrive client to get started. Enter your email address. Enter the server you want to connect to if it isn't looked up automatically for you. Some administrators may configure the server to be looked up for you. From here, you may be prompted to log in with SSO, or you may be prompted to enter a network password that matches your email address. In this case, I'm going to get SSO, so I'm going to be noted that I need to pass over to Azure AD. This could also be Okta or OneLogin, ADFS, could be any of the SSO providers. If you were previously signed in, it may already recognize you. If not, enter your username and password. And any other multi-factor challenges, Duo or Authenticator type push, whatever you may need. Note that as I log in, I'm warned at the top of the screen that my administrator has granted me access to a restricted share. In this case, it's the local share. And you see there it says restricted on it. We'll touch that one in just a moment. Let's start with the regular share. I can simply tap into that. And here I have access to all of my network files and folders, just as I would as if I was in the office. We can scroll through here, and perhaps we want to take an operation like edit it online or download it locally or simply view it. Download it. We have just a number of functions that are available. We can also upload files or create folders. We can create new Office documents. We can actually take an image or upload an image. But let's go ahead and just edit this file. So we'll go ahead and touch on it. We're going to start with a view. It'll let us make sure that this really is the file we want to view. If you look up here in the corner, there's an edit button, which you can go ahead and tap edit. And this will pass us over to edit the file. Now, Microsoft may prompt us to log in again. Sometimes they prompt you to log in to the Office client. Sometimes they just let you go straight into the edit. Just kind of depends. Here in this case, we've gone straight into editing. You can see some of my previous edits. I can go ahead and make an edit here. Obviously, the phone is not the best for editing. More commonly, you may be editing on an iPad or something of that nature. But you can make simple edits in here. More likely, you're probably going to be doing viewing. But I made my edit. I'll go ahead and back out. And that's all I need to do. I'm back. The file was released from editing, and I've made my change. And that's all there is to it. Now, let's talk about that restricted share for just a moment. If we click into that, you'll see now the function, it looks exactly the same, except when I go to the menu, I've got limited access to these files. And what's going to happen is, if I try to view these files, I'm going to get passed over to a viewer where I may have some watermarking. Or if it's the image, I may again get some watermarking. Just depends on what's going on with that. Now, if it's an Office file, your system administrator may have permitted you to edit it or not. Kind of depends on the local environment. If they have permitted you to edit, you'll be able to tap and it'll take you into that same functionality we saw a moment ago. If they have not, you'll just get it in the viewer. So that's just a little bit about using the MyWorkDrive client for mobile, iOS, and Android.